Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a review on my Louis Vuitton card holder, and also I will be comparing it to my Coach card holders. As you can see, I have several here. I have 6 card holder from Coach. So the Louis Vuitton card holder is actually made up of the monogram canvas right here in the front and the back, and also this one is actually lined with a grain cowhide leather. So as you can see, the beautiful color of fuchsia here, this one is made up of the cowhide leather, and this one has one card slot right here in front and also at the back as well, and also right here in the middle is another card slot. So basically this one has a 3 card holder slot, so 1, 2, and then 3. So the third, the right here at the middle seems to be a little bit like you could stack several cards right here in the middle, but I actually have this one for quite some time, but I actually never put more than 2 cards right here in the middle. So I use this one, basically 1 card right here and on the other side, and also 2 cards. So basically I use this card holder and I literally just end up putting maximum of 4 cards. So this one is made in Spain, and I did a review on I did my unboxing in this one, and I am so excited and I'm so happy that I was able to add this one in my collection. I've been eyeing this for quite a long time and they always sold out. And the quality for this particular piece is impeccable. The glazing is perfect. The stitching is immaculate, I must have say. I mean, look at those guys. I'm just gonna give you a closer look. I have never seen any defects or issues with this card. The reason I said that, it's because I did purchase the Louis Vuitton card holder in reverse monogram, and I got the first dibs when they released the reverse monogram. That one was defective, and then also I repurchased it, and that one is just I think that particular piece, I believe, is defective. And also I am so happy the quality for this one, it's, again, I keep repeating myself, the quality for this particular piece is amazing. And also the craftsmanship as well, beautiful. Okay, so now moving on, I have several cards here from Coach, and I don't know, I don't know, because Coach did quite a lot of summer sale, and everything that you've seen here, they were on sale, and pretty much I got them in such a great price. So usually they're selling it pretty much $75. The price range starts from $75 to $100, but all of these I got them for as little as $25. As far as I remember, I paid this one, I paid $20 for this beautiful card holder. This is in pollen. It's one of my most favorite color. And also I got this one for $30. I have another one here. I got this one for $30 as well. I got this one for $30. This is what I'm currently using. And also I got this one for $30. Pretty much this one is a little bit more. This one is, I think, $50 something. I cannot remember anymore, but I know I got this one in such a great price. So now Louis Vuitton, going back to the Louis Vuitton, this one is currently retails for $215. So as much as loving the quality of this card holder, I don't know. I mean, since I have so many card holders from Coach, I mean, I cannot really help myself but compare them. And the reason why I said, I don't know, I wasn't really very happy with this purchase when it comes to its functionality, its practicability. I mean, the price point. I mean, pretty much like I gravitate more towards on the Coach because, say for instance, for this one, I have been using this I don't know what material this is, but pretty much more of like it has this croc embossing in here, and I love it. And this one has a 3 card slots in here in front, one large compartment right here in the middle, and also it has another 3 card slots on the back as well. So pretty much this could hold 7 cards if you're just gonna put cards in each of those the slots. So, and I mean, these are just my most used cards, and my driver's license is obviously right here in the middle, and I also put some paper for my health insurance and stuff. So yes, this one could fit 7 cards, and also this one has 3 card slots as well. This could fit 7 cards, but since this material is very flexible, you could double it. But like I mentioned, I don't really like to double my card, and I just really want, I mean, I just want to, like, let's take for instance, I want to use this card. I just want to grab it, like, so I just really wanted to get an easy access in my cards. That's, you know, that's just what I wanted. And also this one, the blue one, this one has, yes, it could fit 7 cards as well. Yeah, this one is actually lined with gloved and leather. It's beautiful. And also this one, 7. This one as well, it has 7 card slots. And also the only one that actually has the 3 card slot in here is this one. The reason why I got this, it's because I love the color. I love the galloping horse, and actually the material is really nice. This one is actually made up of gray gloved and leather, gloved and leather, I guess, or pebbled leather. Yeah, pebbled leather, I must say, and with the canvas in here. It's beautiful. I love it. So this is just the 2 colors together. That's the reason I got this too, because of the horse and carriage. I love them. It's beautiful. But this one could fit a lot more than this. So I can compare this to the Louis Vuitton. Okay, so this one has 1 card slots right here in front, and also at the back one, and also here, right here in the middle has 1 large card slots right here. And also this one is really very flexible. Right here, the Coach one is very flexible, whereas this cowhide leather here, the grain cowhide leather, seems to be a little bit stiff, since I have used this one like a handful of times. I don't know, it's always been like a struggle each time I use this card, thinking that I might want to have to, you know, double it or not, like that. But, you know, I just don't really want to pull my cards and struggle pulling it out, like the kind of thing. Also, I just don't really want this slots here to stretch out, you know. So yeah, I always take care of my stuff, and you know, in order to protect the leather as well as the stitching right here, you don't really want to do that. You don't really want to overstuff it. You don't want that someday somehow when you use it, like, oh my gosh, one of the stitching pops out, it's because you doubled it. So I really just wanted to avoid that. Based on my comparison, unfortunately, I could not recommend this Louis Vuitton card holder. It's because it's totally impractical. Not only it is expensive, it's $215 plus tax. So pretty much I end up paying at least $230 something on this. I mean, it varies because it depends on the tax. So in my case, if I purchase it online, there's a tax difference. If I purchase it at the store, there's also tax difference as well. So I don't know, for $215, I don't think I could not really justify why do I have to pay $215 for this card holder. So far, I find Coach to be more practical, to be more functional, and also with the price, it's highly affordable. To think that this one has 7 card slots in here, I only paid less than $30 for this. I mean, yeah, I mean, look at those pop of colors. They're so beautiful, and also the quality for the Coach are impeccable. And also, yeah, with this one is also one of my most favorite because I have this one customized. And you could just have this one personalize your cards. You just have to reach out with sales associate and Coach. They could do that one for you. But so far, I was a little bit disappointed on this. I mean, I was hoping that I would enjoy using this card as much as the beautiful quality. The craftsmanship for this one is beautiful, but unfortunately, it's not as functional as I thought. So that is just the only downside for that. I mean, of course, you're gonna have to be more careful when using the card because it is expensive. Not only that, this is something that I chased this card holder for so many months. It took me months and months and months talking the website, asking my sales associate for this, and I was so happy, honestly, that the quality for this card holder is impeccable. But then again, I don't know, but I love this Coach. I mean, if I were to I keep rotating them from time to time, so I'll be able to enjoy it. I use this one on the summer. I could use this one on fall as well. This is really nice. The leather for this one is so beautiful. This one it's a canvas leather with Glovton leather in here. This one is just the entire Glovton leather. And yeah, it's just like, I don't know. I mean, I don't know what else to say, but Coach seems to be the most practical among all the card holders that I have used so far. So anyway, so I hope that this video would be helpful. So if you're just looking for an alternative and more functional card holder, more practical, I would be recommending this Coach card. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.